For months, astronomers watched a strange visitor crossing the solar system, expecting nothing more than a rare scientific opportunity. 3 Atlas appeared to be another interstellar object, a traveler from beyond our solar neighborhood moving through the darkness between stars. At first, scientists believed its journey would be predictable. A close pass near Mars, a brief moment of observation, and then a return to the endless space between galaxies. But as more telescopes turned toward the object, the data became increasingly difficult to explain. The object was moving faster than expected, releasing unusual amounts of gas and dust, and displaying changes that forced researchers to revisit their assumptions. The James Webb Space Telescope, along with ground-based observatories and planetary missions, began collecting observations that revealed a much more complex story. The most important discovery was not simply where 3 Atlas was going, but how it was behaving along the way. Its brightness changed rapidly, its surrounding coma expanded unpredictably, and its emissions appeared in patterns that did not match typical comet activity. Scientists emphasized that unusual behavior does not automatically mean artificial origin, but the object was clearly unlike anything previously studied. The deeper researchers looked, the more questions appeared. Was this simply a rare type of natural body from another star system, or was it revealing new physics about how objects survive interstellar travel? The mystery surrounding 3 Atlas was not created by imagination alone. It came from the data itself, from measurements that challenged existing models and forced scientists to consider possibilities they had never seriously examined before. When 3 Atlas was first detected, its speed immediately attracted attention. Moving through the solar system at extraordinary velocity, it was traveling far faster than most objects that originate here. Its journey suggested that it had spent millions or even billions of years drifting through interstellar space before entering our region of the galaxy. But as it approached the inner solar system, scientists noticed something unusual. Instead of behaving like a simple frozen object warming under sunlight, 3 Atlas displayed complex changes in activity. Jets of gas and dust erupted from different regions of its surface, creating variations in brightness that appeared connected to its rotation and position relative to the Sun. Observatories around the world began monitoring these emissions, searching for explanations. Some researchers suggested that the object might contain unusual materials formed in another star system. Others proposed that its structure could be more fragile or more complex than ordinary comets. The possibility that 3 Atlas was using natural outgassing to slightly adjust its movement became part of scientific discussion, although such effects are known to occur in comets. The challenge was understanding why these changes appeared stronger and more organized than expected. The object was not simply leaving a trail behind it. It was interacting with its environment in ways scientists were still trying to understand. Every observation added another piece to the puzzle, but the complete picture remained unclear. The most advanced instruments humanity has ever built were now focused on a visitor that had traveled across unimaginable distances, carrying information from a place we have never directly explored. As 3 Atlas continued toward Mars, attention shifted from curiosity to concern. The projected path showed that the object would pass relatively close to the red planet, creating a rare opportunity for spacecraft in the Martian system to study material from another star system. A direct impact was not considered the most likely scenario, but even a close encounter could provide valuable scientific information. Mars orbiters and surface missions offered a chance to observe the object from multiple angles, measuring its composition, speed, and interaction with the Martian environment. The James Webb Space Telescope added another layer of investigation by studying the chemical signatures surrounding 3 Atlas. Spectroscopic observations revealed complex molecules within its coma, including compounds commonly associated with icy bodies. These findings raised new questions about how much information an interstellar visitor could carry. Could objects like this transport the chemical ingredients necessary for life? Could they preserve clues about the formation of planets around distant stars? The scientific importance of 3 Atlas extended far beyond its immediate path. However, some unusual readings created intense debate. Certain patterns in its emissions appeared repetitive, leading researchers to investigate whether they were caused by natural rotation, internal activity, or something more unusual. In astronomy, patterns are treated carefully because the universe is full of natural processes that can appear surprisingly organized. A repeating signal does not automatically indicate intelligence, but it does demand investigation. 3 Atlas became a perfect example of how exploration works. An object arrives from the unknown, scientists gather evidence, and humanity slowly learns how much it still does not understand. The most fascinating aspect of 3 Atlas was not a single discovery, but the collection of mysteries surrounding it. Its composition, its unusual activity, and its journey through the solar system created a scientific puzzle unlike previous visitors. Researchers began comparing it with earlier interstellar objects such as Oumuamua and Borisov, which also changed humanity's understanding of objects beyond our solar system. Each visitor revealed that other star systems produce bodies that may look familiar but behave in unexpected ways. 3 Atlas continued that tradition by showing that the galaxy is filled with possibilities we have barely begun to explore. The object's encounter with Mars became more than a close approach. It became a reminder that planets are not isolated worlds. They exist inside a constantly moving cosmic environment where material travels between stars, carrying information about distant places. The molecules inside 3 Atlas may have formed around another sun. Its dust may have witnessed planets being born around a foreign star. Its journey may have lasted longer than human civilization itself. Every particle surrounding it represented a piece of a story written across the galaxy. The true importance of 3 Atlas was not whether it was artificial or natural. The greatest discovery was that something from another star system had entered our skies, allowing humanity to study a piece of another cosmic neighborhood directly. As 3 Atlas continued beyond its closest approach, scientists prepared for the final stages of observation. The object would eventually leave the inner solar system and continue its journey into the darkness, just as it had traveled before reaching us. But the information it provided would remain for years, perhaps decades, as researchers continued analyzing the data collected by telescopes and spacecraft. The story of 3 Atlas was not about a threat or a prediction of disaster. It was about discovery, uncertainty, and the realization that the universe is far more diverse than humanity once believed. Every generation looks toward the stars searching for answers, and every new exploration reveals more questions. The arrival of an interstellar visitor reminds us that the solar system is not a closed island. It is connected to the wider galaxy by invisible pathways of matter and energy. Somewhere beyond the planets, countless other objects are traveling through the darkness, carrying secrets from places we may never reach. 3 Atlas crossed that darkness and briefly entered our cosmic neighborhood, giving humanity a rare opportunity to study something born around another star. The universe did not become smaller because we observed it. It became larger. And perhaps the greatest lesson from this mysterious visitor is that the unknown is not empty. It is filled with stories waiting for the right moment, and the right instruments, to finally reveal themselves.